The 2023 Fastback Abarth mixes performance and practicality. Fiat's performance brand, Abarth is expanding its offerings with the new 2023 Fastback Abarth SUV coupe. Blending sporty flair with everyday usability, this stylish performance crossover aims to be the best of both worlds. Power comes from a 1.3-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine producing up to 270 horsepower, allowing a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 7.6 seconds and a top speed of 136 miles per hour. The Abarth tuning includes a free-flowing exhaust, sportier suspension, sticky performance tires, and torque vectoring for improved handling. Selectable drive modes let you customize the experience. Visually, the Fastback Abarth stands out with its sloping coupe-like roofline, dual exhaust tips, and Abarth exterior accents in red or gray. The styling walks the line between sporty and sophisticated. Inside, Abarth sport seats and red accents add flair. On the tech front, the Fastback Abarth is well equipped with a 10.1-inch touchscreen, wireless charging, and advanced driver aids like automatic emergency braking. An available poison mode activates an even sharper throttle response for maximum acceleration. With up to 54.7 cubic feet of cargo space with the rear seats folded, the Fastback Abarth maintains practical SUV capabilities despite its rakish looks. Fiat aims to draw buyers looking for excitement mixed with everyday livability. Pricing starts around $35,000 for the limited edition in Brazil, a discount versus the standard model. With its blend of verve and versatility, the Fastback Abarth will spice up Fiat's lineup when it goes on sale later this year. This performance crossover brings Abarth's speedy character to the popular SUV segment. While the Fastback Abarth delivers strong acceleration, it's also engineered for nimble handling and high-speed stability. The suspension, steering, and brakes are all tuned for responsive, agile driving. Body roll is minimized, allowing you to attack corners with confidence. For enthusiasts, this Abarth is about more than just going fast in a straight line. The available selectable drive modes let drivers customize the vehicle's behavior. Comfort mode smooths out the ride for daily commuting, while the sport setting provides a more connected feel. Track mode unlocks the vehicle's full performance potential for closed-course fun. The modes let owners tailor the experience. Inside, the Fastback Abarth cocoons driver and passengers in a sporty, driver-focused cockpit. Details like the flat-bottom steering wheel, aluminum pedals, and high-bolstered seats reinforce the performance vibe. Ambient interior lighting in red or white can match the exterior paint color, creating a unified environment. But it's not all business. Creature comforts like dual-zone automatic climate control, rain-sensing wipers, and a premium sound system keep things comfortable. Wireless device charging and multiple USB ports handle device connectivity. The cabin balances performance with livability. It's crucial that the Fastback Abarth has safety tech on par with its performance. Forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking helps prevent frontal impacts, while blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert aid awareness. Stability control and torque vectoring provide an extra measure of control. 6 airbags, side curtain airbags, and tire pressure monitoring protect occupants in the event of a crash. Rain-sensing wipers and automatic high-beam headlights also boost safety in inclement weather. With its array of driver aids, the Fastback Abarth complements its power with key protections. While Abarth is synonymous with racing heritage, the Fastback Abarth maintains real-world versatility. There's ample cargo room for luggage, sports gear, or daily cargo needs. The rear seats fold flat to handle bulkier items. Despite its rakish silhouette, this remains a usable crossover at its core. Fuel economy is also respectable for the class, managing 30 mpg on the highway with the responsive Turbo 4. Handsome 20-inch wheels are also wrapped in low rolling resistance tires to limit waste. The potent performance doesn't prevent practical duties. With its unique fusion of style, performance, and practicality, the Fastback Abarth is poised to draw customers from across the spectrum. Track day enthusiasts will revel in its pace and handling, while families can appreciate its flexible interior and safety technologies. Fastback Abarth combines the best of Abarth's motorsport heritage with modern crossover sensibilities. This multi-dimensional performance machine beckons adventure with Italian passion. Whether carving canyons or carrying cargo, the Fastback Abarth delivers excitement with elegance. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.